A man stands on a deck that extends into a pool in a modern apartment complex courtyard. The pool is lined with lounge chairs, both in the water and out, and is surrounded by multi-story residential buildings. Icons. Wheelchair accessible, equal housing opportunity.
Wedgewood Houston blends an established residential feel with a vibrant neighborhood scene. Think morning coffee runs, local galleries showcasing emerging artists, and a growing roster of restaurants and retail that make it easy to discover something new every week. Hit up a local favorite like Dicey's for a casual night out, or head to Geodis Park when the Nashville Soccer Club is playing. The neighborhood always feels alive with things to do and people to meet.
From above, a sprawling university campus features grand white-columned buildings in the foreground. Large dormitory-style buildings dominate the background. The campus is surrounded by trees and urban development.
Belmont and Vanderbilt are nearby, and downtown's culture and job centers are comfortably close, so you get the best of city access without feeling buried by it. Positioned at the gateway to Wedgewood Houston, Westerly House offers a welcoming home base in a neighborhood that's as connected as it is full of character.